Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off, then hold Delete or F2 while powering on to enter the Aorus BIOS. You need a wired keyboard so keys register immediately. Otherwise, you may miss the prompt. Once inside, look for Boot or Security tabs and note whether the system is set to UEFI versus Legacy and confirm your OS install type. This matters because disabling Secure Boot can prevent some UEFI-only installs from booting. Documenting current settings helps you reverse changes if needed. Once done, navigate to Settings, then Security or Boot, depending on your Aorus BIOS layout, and open the Secure Boot menu. You will typically change Secure Boot from enabled to disabled. If asked, set OS type to Other OS or Windows UEFI mode accordingly. This choice affects key enforcement. Make sure to save changes. If your BIOS offers profiles, save to a named profile so you can restore original settings easily. After saving, use the Exit menu to restart and test the boot flow. You're at the finish line. Restart and confirm your OS boots normally. If it does not, immediately re-enter BIOS and re-enable Secure Boot to restore previous behavior, then boot to troubleshooting tools. For Windows failures, run Automatic Repair or use System Restore. For Linux, check shim and EFI entries. If Secure Boot options were missing or inconsistent, update your Aorus BIOS firmware and recheck menus. Firmware updates often fix bugs. One key tip: keep a USB recovery drive handy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.